Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here, and we are at Ocean Coral Springs, and this is part 2 of my vlog. So if you haven't checked out part 1 with the full resort and room tour, please go check that out after this one. In this vlog, we'll be diving into more fashion, more food, and more fun. Let's get straight into it. Hey babes, so I'm all ready for our first full day. Right now, we're gonna go to the pool, maybe the beach, because Kiari wants to soak up some water. But this is what I'm wearing. My crochet set is made by Yarn Days. I'll let you guys see. Hold on, let's see the fit. Okay, so this is my fit. I'm wearing just a basic white bathing suit from La Senza, and the crochet set, like I said, is from Yarn Days. It's super cute, and I flipped my hair, did a little flip to complete the look with my jewelry and everything. Yes, and the sandals, just the brown one from Zara, you know, their signature sands. But yeah, this is it. This is the fit. 4 minutes. 5 more minutes. My photographer and my assistant. Let's see it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that? I'm still in this. I'm gonna take some pictures. Oh my gosh, okay. Woo. Mommy! Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My oh, and the view. Carrie's assisting us. Wow, wow, babe. Oh my gosh. Wow. Y'all, I'm about to kill this gram. Okay, go follow me on Instagram at Chanel Morris. My photographer was amazing. Muyang Studios. We just had the jerk, which is the jerk pit place right over there, and it's so good. There was these like nice little cocoa bread that was You okay? You like it?
Mommy, I had to bite it.
You did. Let's go to dinner.
Mommy?
The whole gang. Okay. So this is my outfit for tonight. We're going to dinner. This dress, I have tights underneath. It's real short, but you know, a little tease doesn't hurt nobody. This dress is from Aritzia. So it's a Wilfred dress. It was longer, and then I cut it actually short just because I've worn it long so many times. But I think she cut it way too short, but it's okay. It's giving a little, whoop, you know?
Whoa!
And let me give you guys a full fit. And then I don't know if you can see the heels, but the heels are from Sakura. Having gold heel silver heels and some silver earrings.
Come, Mama. Come,
He is getting ready. That's it. We end up going to the Italian restaurant for dinner. I had the steak, which was cooked to perfection, and Raheem had the salmon that was so moist, melt in your mouth good. Definitely top 3 of restaurant choices on the resort.
Hi, Mama. Watching your show. Tired woman.
Good morning, all. Good morning. We are at day 3 and we're gonna go for breakfast. So this is my little breakfast dress. Oh, this is like twisted. There, let me set it cute. So this is my little breakfast outfit, and then oh no, you have a boo-boo. It's okay, Lovey. We're gonna put something on it, okay? So yeah, we're gonna go for breakfast. Just braided Kiari's hair. Kiari, let me see you, Mama. Is that your breakfast outfit? Yes. Let's see your boo-boo. Can I see your boo-boo? Oh no. Okay, we're gonna fix that, okay? So we're gonna go for breakfast and then bring Kiari to the kids club. Let's get into it. Why is this so lopsided? Okay, wait. Okay, there. I think I fixed it. You ready, babe? Yeah? Okay, brekkie time, brekkie time.
Yesterday was so good.
Yeah, I know. I'm so glad we're catching it. You feel for the same thing? I know. I'm glad we're catching it early this morning. Breakfast time, breakfast time. Okay, let's go. Walking my way downtown, walking by. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so it was raining this morning, but now it's way better. It's sunny out and nice and beautiful. You don't have your hat? Okay, come on, let's hurry up and go so we don't get too sunburned. So like I was videoing this thing and the camera was turned around the entire time. But what I was saying is the entire trip I've been wearing sunscreen, and I want to see if I look darker or if I actually like stay my skin tone that I originally wear. Because growing up, every time when you wear sunscreen, it's like, oh, you're gonna get more black. Right, Ryan?
I know.
So Ryan's not wearing none, but I've been wearing it every morning. Every morning. Okay, let's go to break. Stopped in the cafe for a second. Babe, what are you gonna get? And a croissant? Croissant looks good. is our favorite breakfast and lunch spot on the resort. You can get your real Jamaican breakfast and lunch, your ackee and saltfish, your cooked food, and all that good stuff. We went to Martha's Market earlier and we were not feeling it. Like, it was only pancake and eggs and your American breakfast, which we're in Jamaica, baby. Let's get some Jamaican food.
Chess player Kiki.
To the pool?
To the pool we go. The pool always has some nice.
Some vibes. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Okay, give me 5. Not that way. Now,
Take care.
Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the shots of fire. Shots. Everybody. Yeah, if you guys want the shots, I'm getting liquid inspiration. Look away from all the bar right now. You know this one. Listen, let's go. Ready? All right, now. Listen, and let me turn up here. Ready? Drift. Let's go.
One thing that this resort does not lack is entertainment. They had a live show going on that night, but we weren't able to make it. After a full day at the pool, we were only able to go to dinner. We went to Sugar Cane, which is by far my favorite restaurant on this resort. For appetizers, we got a shrimp with quinoa and a shrimp enchilada, which was delicious. And my favorite, I got the oxtail, which was a melt in your mouth good. And Raheem got the curry goat with a side of snapper, but my oxtail, it beat it by far. The dessert is where everything fell off for me, but everything else was delish. Next day was time to have some kids activity fun and spend some time with Kiari at the water park.
Little miss. Hi. Little miss. And her mommy. Kiki. Wanna go in the pool, mommy?
For dinner, we went to Sakura, which is a hibachi style restaurant. The food was not my favorite, but the entertainment was everything. There was a whole chef sing-off battle.
And when she was leaving, she said, I believe I can fly.